Okay, so I'm at Brunswick Secondary College. This is our instructional design lab. What you're looking at here is the light board that I've made. You can see that there's black on either side to sort of block out the light, and obviously we wouldn't be filming with the house lights on, the room lights on. But essentially I come in, I've got my tripod here set up, I've got a phone on it, whatever phone you have is probably fine. Press record, I wander around to this side, I pick up the microphone, which is a lavalier microphone, so you just clip it onto the front of your shirt. So I'll do that here. And then I'm just basically looking at myself in the phone, trying to make sure that I'm in the right spot. I'm going to grab a marker. The important step that I've forgotten is turning on the lights, which is somewhere around here. So you can do 2 or 1, depending on how bright you want it to be. You might actually see smudges on the board when you're doing your writing, doing your teaching, but that can all be fixed after the fact by just changing some settings in terms of lighting, and that will get rid of most of them. So using my pen, I'm just going to write something easy for my class. Obviously I would want to introduce it, but essentially these are paint pens, so you're going to shake them up a little bit, you write something, and just keep in mind you should have your phone facing the direction towards you so that you can see what you can actually see in the shot and make sure that what you are trying to teach is clear and visible. As soon as you're done, unclip your microphone, wander around, press stop on your phone, and then you've just produced your first Lightboard video, which you can then edit quite easily either in your phone or you can send it to your computer and edit from there. Okay, so this is a Lightboard from where I'm actually filming from. So this is the tripod on the other side. You can see the text is the right way round, and for that reason you want to obviously not have text on your shirt because you're going to be flipping the footage. So if you have, say, your school jumper on, that will be inverted and the text on the screen will be the right way, which will be very confusing for people, so keep that in mind. But this is what a Lightboard looks like and gives you a bit of an idea of what it could look like if you were to build one or buy one at your school.